But I don't want to talk about my particular ones. I'm going to talk about a scenario that you all probably are going to run into. And I'm going to use one of my own scenarios. We just had this happen again. If there's any position in our company that seems to be a revolving door, it's the customer service reps. So we got the CSRs on the phone, taking orders. They do it for about 6 months, and then we get to lose them. And then we get another one, and we lose them. We get another one, we lose them. Every single time, it's 2 weeks of training, and that's a lot of time, right? And I'm sure you're all familiar with those kinds of situations. It'd be nice to be able to have them, anyone in your organization, when they're onboarding or when they're trying to learn something, to have the ability to get something quickly, okay? Where they can do it themselves and they get the information, or it's a good reference. And how many people here, I've been talking to people all week, or all couple days. How many people here have gone to YouTube to find out how to do something, okay? And that's the kind of thing we're trying to do.